What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be changing the heater blender door to my HVAC system in my 2000 Chevy Silverado. Currently, when I change the temperature setting from hot to cold, it doesn't change. Right now it's stuck on cold, which was fine for the summer, but now it's fall and it's starting to get cold and you don't want more cold air blowing on you. Now this is the piece we're going to be changing right there. So I'm on the passenger side and it's right underneath there. Very easy to see. There's just a few screws holding it in. I'm going to pull those out and then I'm going to go ahead and pop the new one in. For the two screws holding the blend door in, I was using this. It's a 7/32 size socket. So I got the two screws out. And then there's this little clip right here. I'm going to unhook that and I think it should just pull out. See, it's kind of hooked there in the back. So I've just been working it back and forth a little bit and it's finally coming off here. Pretty close. There we go, and it's out. Now that the old one's off, let's get the new one on. So this is the little rod that connects to the actuator, and you can actually twist it by hand. You can probably hear the little door in there banging up against the side, but you're just going to want to turn that to where it matches the actuator itself. It's keyed, so you're going to have it in there specifically the right way, and then hopefully it will just slide on. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So it's on. This is the electrical. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. And then I just need to put these two screws back in. One on this side, one on the other. And it should be good to go. So I have the key in my ignition in the on position. I'm going to go ahead and turn this dial, and if it's working, it should twist that little shaft back there just like it's doing. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but I can hear it twisting as well. But it looks like the new actuator is working, and hopefully both my heat and cooling will be working now. So that was a pretty easy fix. The part was inexpensive and it was changed pretty quickly. The most difficult part is getting to those screws under there. There's just not a lot of space, and it's a very small socket size. 7/32 is not very common. Hopefully this video was helpful. If so, please hit my logo to subscribe, and thanks for watching.